theme of this poem, all the world's a stage. So a monologue is a speech made by a single person. Mono, one, okay? Monologue means a speech by a single person. It may reveal inner thoughts or intentions, which we just express ourselves. If you have seen movie Pyar Ka Panchnama, there is one monologue there. Those who have seen. Then is all the words a stage is a monologue from Shakespeare's play As You Like It. Okay, someone has spoken this, only one person. As you have not read the novel, so I am not going to quote the name. Now, what in your opinion is the theme of the monologue? What kind of intentions or feelings the person is trying to share? Is it okay? All the words are stage, elaborate on the theme. What the person is trying to say. Okay, that. Hmm. Hmm. Yes, yes. Yes, it is that the world is the poet. The poet wants to say this. Hanji Karan, continue. There are many. Okay. So it is like that poem describes various stages of human life, and these any human has to go through all these stages and phases, and this world is just like a stage where a human being comes, makes his entrance, and then after playing the role, he takes the exit. Is it okay? So you have to write like this, that the theme of this poem is, or the poet wants to say, then you will explain that the poet wants to say the world is like a stage, like a big stage in which every human being has a role to play. Yes, human beings come, make entrances, and then they exit. Yes, they exit. Yes, and then you will write the how many stages are there. Then just make what? Yes, every man goes through seven ages or seven phases or seven stages, and in each he has to play a different role. No, no, no. Here you are not going to explain all the stages. Just summarize. There are seven stages. A human being or a man goes through various stages and plays his role, and then after the last, he makes exit. Okay. I have read this. Who has written this? Pragati, I have read this, that poem, the poem's theme is that the man is the ultimate loser in the game of life. Why the ultimate loser? Because at the end, the person is going to die. Means the person has to make the exit. Okay. And then she has written, he says all the words a stage and all the men and women merely. It's clear. Means we are just players, like puppets, right? We are what? We are just players. We come, perform, yes, and we make, yes. So this is the theme. Yes, Sadika. Yes, yes, you can write, but yes, write it like this. That every player plays seven roles during his life. Every player plays seven roles, right, during his life. And then you have to explain the stages. No, no, Vedanti, you have to explain the stages, but not in detail. Just like this, at seven stages. First is of when the person when a man takes birth, and then schoolboy. After that comes the next stage, like this. No need to explain the characteristics. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. And this is very important also. The first question, explain all the stages. That is very, very important. Got it? Is the theme clear? To you also? No. To all these online. Okay. So next comes page number 144, back exercise. Underline the metaphors and similes in these sentences. Metaphor. Who will explain metaphor? Come. Just wait. Yes, metaphor. I cannot go far. Metaphor.
In metaphor, we make direct comparison.
Okay, she is saying in metaphor, direct comparisons are made. Right. Yes, Sadhika. Simile.
In simile, like and as words are used.
To make comparisons. Okay, for simile, like, yes, like and as, these words are used to make. See, in metaphor, direct comparison is there. Means we directly compare the thing. But for simile, we use words like and as. No direct comparison is not there. Is it okay? That's the only difference. So, yes, correct, Vedanti, correct. So, I think we should start the exercise. Okay. Underline the metaphors and the similes in these sentences. Means underline and then tell whether it is simile or metaphor. So, first is, wait. Let me read the sentence. The twins are like two peas in a pod. Shh. Raise your hands. Pragati, your answer is correct. Vedanti, your answer is correct. Okay, Kanav? It's you will underline like two peas in a pod. It is, Kanav, it is what? No, it's simile. Okay, it is simile. Okay, yes. Next is, I cannot see without my glasses. I am as blind as a bat. As blind as a bat. Just wait. Okay, Angel. Yes, as blind as a bat, simile. And those who have given answers here, that is also correct. Reena is a brilliant mathematician. She is a human calculator. Simile. Yes, Pranjali. Human calculator, metaphor. See, direct comparison is there. No, just underline. Then is Ramesh Sundaram is as strong as a bull. Wish. Wait. Okay. Okay, Parisha. As strong as a bull. Okay, next, I think Somil is there. Okay, Somil, stand up. It's as strong as a bull. That is simile. Yes, Somil, next. Let me read the sentence. Puneet's exams are over. He is a free bird. Free bird metaphor. I think you can use, sit down. I think you can use this free bird when you write, means in your writing skills also. Then, Manav's voice is velvet when he sings. Manav's voice is velvet when he sings. Velvet metaphor. Correct. Velvet metaphor. The room was a burning furnace. Sadhika? Burning furnace metaphor. It's Saksham or Sayam? Saksham. Yes, Saksham last. Chaitanya swims like a fish in a pond. Like a fish in a pond, simile. Is it okay? Easy? Very simple, na? Okay. Now, next is continuous tenses. It's perfect continuous tense. Okay. I want you to tell me how to write present perfect continuous. Means what is the structure? Present perfect continuous. Which verb we use? Just close your books for time being. Close your books. How to write present perfect continuous? Means is, am, are, was, were, has, have, what? What about others? It's present perfect continuous. Bableen? Has, have, plus ing is MR. It's present perfect continuous. See, present you have already written, right? Perfect continuous. I want more hands. What's it? Means only. Okay, Manisha. Has, have plus been plus first form of the verb plus ing. Is it okay? Next comes past perfect continuous. Past perfect Saksham Sanyam. Had plus been verb. No, it's first form of the verb ing. It's in continuous tenses we use first form of the verb plus ing. Is it okay? Yes, Jayant, correct. And next is future. Future. Wait. Will, shall plus been. Huh? Something is missing. No, not since for in plus have, okay? Plus have plus have plus been. Got it? Is it okay? So present, past, future. So now this exercise is this only. So first sentence, page number 145. By this time next year, I dash on my project. Will have been working. Correct? Yes. Will have been working. Next, I dash an interesting book on robotics. I dash an interesting book on robotics. Yes, Vibhav? Had been? Is it had been or? Huh? Is it had been or have been? Have been. Okay, have been reading. Yes, have been reading. Next, we dashed a cake for mom and dad the whole afternoon. Had been baking. Had been baking. Third answer is had been baking. Correct, Vishwas. Next is Rohit dash all day long. Yes, Pranjali. Has been studying. Yes, correct. Fifth, Sham dash for more than an hour by the time I meet him. Okay, had been, chalo, had been waiting or has been waiting? Has or had? S. This or this? One or two? Second. Okay, why second? Because Sham has been waiting for more than an hour by the time I meet him, or had been. Two sentences are there. Right. And the second part of the sentence is in present or past tense? Present tense. Then has been. Okay. Yes, two sentences are there. When perfect tenses are there, mostly two actions are involved. But in this second part, one person sentence is in present tense. Is it okay? The next, you can say, not next, seventh. But before that, the sun dash by 5 o'clock. The sun has not been rising by 5 o'clock. Any doubt? Different answer? Yes, Anshika. Will have not been rising. What do you think? Is it will or is it perfect? Future or present? Present. Future. What about you? They are also saying future. I don't know. I want your answer. Just think the sun dash by 5 o'clock. Future. Future. Seventh, I dash for 10 hours when mom woke me up. This is now, yes, had been sleeping. Had been sleeping. Yes, had been sleeping. And the last, be careful, question mark is there. Dash English for long. Question mark. Dash English for long, you have to use you learn. Yes, Angel? Have you been learning? Have, H-A-V-E, have. Have you been learning? Have you been learning? Yes. Second? Second sentence, it's have been reading. Okay? Okay, for C2, I hope you can do the exercise because you just have to use the hints. First, I'll do, he write a new novel by year end. Future perfect continuous. Sadika? He will have been writing a new novel by the year end. That's it. You have to do it like this. But come to sentence fifth. 5. Sumi catch flu because she play in the rain for too long yesterday. Past perfect continuous. Now, how you are supposed to write this sentence? Yes, there are two verbs are there. Now, okay, he is saying Sumi had been catching flu because she played in the rain for, see, which action was the first action? Playing or that flu? Playing. Catched? Form, which form? What is the second form of catch? Caught. Caught. So this way the answer is going to be, yes, correct. So the answer is going to be Sumi caught. Sure. Sumi caught flu because she had been playing in the rain for too long. Yes, Vedanti, correct answer. Sumi caught flu because she had been playing. Okay. So last we'll also do 7th. You paint your room when you fell. Interrogative. And then you have to use past perfect continuous. Interrogative. Means question. So how you are going to form this sentence? Same hands, Angel, Pranjali, Anshika, Angel, Pranjali, Anshika. What happened, Parisha? Okay. Yes. Had you been painting your room when you fell? That's it? No. Had you been? Question mark. Yes, question mark. Okay, very good, Karan. So it's question mark. Had you been painting your room when you fell? Question mark. Rest of the sentences, hopefully you can do yourself. Right? Now, very interesting thing, that is the speech. Close your books. You don't require your books now. I need your viewpoints. And the topic is very interesting. Yes, fair notebook. Age is just a number. Means how are you supposed to write speech? This is the true statement. Age is just a number. 1 year, 2, 3, 4. It is a number. Then what is the meaning of this? Age is just a number. Wait, just wait. Jayant, 8th. Have you been learning English for long? Okay. Have you been learning English for long? Now page number 147. speech. I want your viewpoints. The first thing that I need to know is, what is the meaning of this line? Means it is true, age is a number. You are 14, 10 or whatever. Now you are in teens. So 13, 14, whatever. So it is a number. Then, okay, just wait. Pranjali, come here and explain. Be quick. Yes, I am reading.
Yes, this is true because we. Yes, this is true because in our old age also we can remain fit by eating healthy.
Yes, it is like this. Age is just a number means that, thank you, that we can do anything at any age, right? I have few more answers. I will read these answers also. Vedanta is saying means age is a number, but with age we are growing, means changing. Okay. Pragati is saying age is just an, yes, age is just a number given to people. It doesn't necessarily show maturity. Correct. Only add some, the larger it is, a number doesn't mature you into a wiser individual. Okay. The amount of stories you have experienced truly ages. Yes, that is correct. It is correct. Okay, it's not your answer. Whose answer is this? Just let me see. Prabjot's answer. Okay, Prabjot, correct. Sorry, Pragati. It's Prabjot's answer. I have read it somewhere. Don't let a number control your life. As Pranjali, she has also said that we can try new things. We can try anything at any, yes, any age. We should not think that, yes, okay, I am 40 or I am 50. So now I cannot go for adventurous sports. It totally depends how healthy you are, right? Maybe a boy of 10 cannot perform all those activities that well. Yes. Yes, the man of 40 can perform. It is how you have maintained yourself. First thing. Second thing, you can try new things. Like, again, 40, 50-year man can learn or can take admission in any college or any institute just for learning, right? So it is, I think, quite okay. It should be okay. Clear? So now I want your viewpoints, how you are going to start the speech. Just wait. Again, few things I have. Simarpreet is saying, age is just a number means your heart should remain young. Don't care of age. We can do anything at any age. Yes. And then Vedanti is saying, yes, it is a real story that a 94 years old woman do gymnastics better than, yes, Vedanti. Good. Yes. So, yes, you have to do it in Fair Notebook. Yes, anything at any age. But yes, definitely that should be correct. Means not any illegal thing. You cannot say, okay, now we can do anything at any age. So let's go for something. So be careful that whatever you are going to try, it should be good. Morally, then emotionally, physically, mentally, right? It should not be disturbing. You should not be disturbed after that thing. Maybe you have gone for some fight just to help your friend. Okay, at any age, we can do this and that. And after coming back, slaps from parents. So I don't think that is going to be a good one. So I want your points. Yes, Vishwas, there is no age limit for education. That is correct. Just wait. So what? What's bad? What's wrong in this? It means he has that energy, he has interest that you should have. Right? Means that this is your age to study, but if he is interested and he wants to, then what is wrong? You should learn from him also. Right, Karan? Yes. So, first point. First, how you are going to start this speech? With the quotation? Quotation. Yes. After that, good morning. means introduction. Introduction, you will introduce yourself, you will greet the audience, and then you will introduce your topic. Next, I need 3 strong points to explain. Yes. Yes, but how you will start means how you are going to convince your audience that yes, age is just a number, nothing else. I have read one more thing, that age is prison created by our society. I hope you agree that sometimes we stop ourselves from doing a particular thing just because we think that what the society will say. What will the society say? So that is somewhere in our mind. Okay, I am 50, I cannot do this. I cannot wear this. Yes, sometimes we want to, but we restrict ourselves just because of age. Otherwise, we are fit and fine. Yes, we are fit and fine. We can try that, we can achieve that, but just because of society, we step back, right? Yes, Vedanti. Yes, Vedanti. I have read that a 94-year-old woman do gymnastic better than all of us. Yes. Yes. So this you can write that because of society, sometimes we just step back, but this should not be the reason. Is it okay if your body allows, if your mind allows you, then just go for it. Is it okay? Anything else? No? That's it. Speech is over. 7 marks, speech over. No, 5, you will get only 2. For introduction, that's it. Nothing else. And plus grammatical errors, so 1.5. So now anything else? Yes, paragraph. Different paragraphs. Yes, different paragraphs. At least 7 paragraphs, 7 to 8 paragraphs. Means with for each new, you can say your reason or your example, use new paragraph. Okay. Anything else? One more thing, age does not define your skills, your potential, right? Capabilities. And it is never too soon, means never too early, never too late. You can try anything at any age and whenever you want, right? What? Yes, this is also very important for marriage, right? For marriage also, that sometimes, okay, you have crossed 20s, now right age, right age, right age, right age. Is it okay? Then for settlement also, like you want a job. Maybe for some they want to achieve something else, so they have to go for that particular thing. It can take more years, right? More time. So this doesn't mean okay, age is just a number, we can get a job at the age of 50. Please don't think like this. Is it okay? Yes. Okay, yes, after it we have particularized one age for retirement, like 60. Okay. What a man of, what do you think? A man of 60 cannot perform his duties after 60 years? What do you think? No? He can perform, right? He can, but yes, we have to fix some norms also for the smooth working of every institute, organization, right? Otherwise, a man of 60, if retirement doesn't mean that now the man is retired and he can do nothing. He can try. Yes, and every phase of our life, every stage of our life, every age gives us various opportunities, various new things that we can try. It is up to us how we achieve. In 7th A and B, the students have given the example of Milkha Singh, that at the age of 90, he is very strong and he performs his duty. He runs, right? He still, no, he is come from, or what are you saying comes from Pakistan? Means he is fit and fine. Maybe I am not that much fit, right? But at the age of 90, he is still fine. Is it okay? So you have to write these things. Experiences, yes. We grow with our experiences. You cannot say that I am mature and you are not. Maybe you are more mature. Is it okay? Yes, this happens. Sometimes it is not always that maturity comes with the age. Yes, it comes with the age, but after that, but yes, experiences are also very important.